joined Bessie the cow on an adorable farm adventure. Bessie has a funny problem. She can't control her gas. But fear not, her farm friends, including Floyd the horse, Henrietta the hen, Sammy the sheep, and Penelope the goat, team up to help her out. This charming tale is filled with laughter, friendship, and farmyard fun. Don't miss Bessie's bubbly journey. Once upon a time, there was a farmer named George. He had a farm with all kinds of animals: cows, chickens, pigs, and even a few goats. One day, George woke up to a beautiful sunny morning. He decided to go check on his animals and see how they were doing. As he walked out to the barn, he noticed that his cow Bessie was acting a bit strange. "Good morning, Bessie," said George. "What's wrong, girl?" Bessie moved loudly and shook her head. George scratched his head, trying to figure out what was wrong. Suddenly, he realized that Bessie had eaten some bad hay. She had a stomach ache and was feeling quite gassy. George chuckled to himself. "Looks like we are going to have a windy day," he joked. The other animals started to notice too. The chickens clucked and squawked, while the pigs snorted and oinked. George tried to ignore the smell and carried on with his work. But then something strange happened. The goats, who were normally very quiet, started to sing. George couldn't help but laugh. He joined in, singing and dancing with the goats. Even Bessie, who was feeling better by now, joined in with a few moos. For the rest of the day, the farm was filled with laughter and song. And from that day on, whenever there was a windy day, the goats would form a choir and sing their hilarious song, reminding George of the day when Bessie had a bit too much of gas. The end.